So things have been full steam around here getting ready for Mustang Week. Obviously, Project 55 has been the focus, but I want to do a few little things to the boss before we left as well. Now again, I don't have huge plans for this car. I'm pretty happy with the way the car is, but the one thing I wanted to change was the wheels. The factory wheels were nice looking and I get the vintage theme, but they were stock and just not what I was looking for. Now the Shelby CS-3 wheel here from Carroll Shelby Wheel Company has been a very, very popular wheel with the S550 crowd. And a lot of you have asked, will it fit an S197? Well, there's your answer. These are available in gunmetal or black finish and look great on your S197 Mustang. Now the Carroll Shelby Wheel Company CS-3 is a flow-formed wheel, making it very, very strong and very, very light. These are weighing in at 28 pounds for the front wheels and 29 pounds for the rear. The front is a 20 by 9.5 with a 275/35, and the rear is a 20 by 11 with a 295/35, and obviously a 305 would not be a problem either. The front back spacing is 6.8 inches, and the rear is a 7.94, making a very, very aggressive fitment for your S197 Mustang. Now these CS-3 wheels from Carroll Shelby Wheel Company are available in multiple finishes, and they're available in wheel and tire packages as well, so you can order a complete set of staggered ones with the tires ready to mount and balance when they get to your house.